guys, this is the Survival Game Promoter, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Favro page once again. So, these are some of the things that I really like to share with you guys. So basically, we're going to go over, some of these, chemicals, or, sections over here. So, let's start here at the drop pod. Okay, is the Wi-Fi being good? Is the Wi-Fi nice? Wi-Fi, yep. It's supposed to be doing pretty nice, but we'll check down here. Margaret Maida encounter number 1. Are there any images? Okay, no. So, let's see. Okay, I guess there isn't much for this one, but sea truck modules. Roadmap card encapsulating all sea truck modules work. See the futures backlog for more detail. Aquarium module uses the same technique as the aquarium base object. Animated paths but no specific small fish animations because they'll use the fish existing swim system. The attach points will need scale values to make sure the fish are sized to fit within the aquarium. Okay. So who's this? Sea truck module. Corey Strader. Interesting. So he's one of the dudes that does the other one. Is this the large base room? Okay, large base room. That's nice. We don't have any images, but yeah, I agree with Ethan Mack. I think it's going to be like the one in the beginning, and if it is, that's going to be epic. I really want that. Coffee. Isn't this already in the base game of Subnautica? So this is going to come around in May. If you look right there, it comes around. It says when it's going to come. Let's see. Sea truck upgrades. Okay. No writing here. Let's see. Hover pad. This is going to be cool. Hover pad. Let's see. That is. Oh, is that going to be where the hovercraft stands on? So that's going to be pretty cool. That's going to be epic. I wonder if you can find that in currently. Cold suit. Interesting. I think maybe it should use a battery to have like a heater inside. Sea monkey nest. Cool. That's gonna be interesting. That I'm pretty sure we're not gonna have multiplayer for Subnautica, but probably not. So let's have a pad again. Heating gel. This we actually have seen in Subnautica currently. Subnautica Below Zero. This is actually in a supply drop, actually. It doesn't have any look, but for some reason it should look, I think it should look either green or red. Radio. Reintegration. Optional story content, exploration driving only, no radio in the drop pod. If you don't build the radio, you're just missing optional story content. If you do build the radio, you might get some signal to tech sites, other points of interest. Cool. It's nice. Cave fruit. Heat seed plant. Oh, that's interesting. I'm just imagining this one being like red and orange. Thermal lily. Interesting. Heat plant follows player position. Left, right, up, down. Neutral poses or maybe idles. We will likely need to additive layer over other atoms. Open up to exclude heat. Start loop close. Interesting. Precursor tether. Cool. Not much to say about this one. So then if we go here, there are some creature images. Cool. Brine wing. I think we might have already gone over this in my other video, but if you haven't seen this, it's an interesting thing, and the brine wing makes me think that there might actually be like a lost river or another brine puddles, like in the Lost River where it's the acid. Okay, I guess that one's not going to load. I guess you'll have to look at that. Vent garden is actually, I don't think I've heard some talk about them not actually going to implement the vent garden, but sorry, because there's not going to be able to show images. Rock puncher. Regular priority. This is actually already invented in the game. It's already developed if you go deep enough. Sea monkey, definitely have already seen this, but I agree it is derpy. Yeah, sorry for having to wait. What's that? Snow stalker. Snow stalker, that looks cool. Let's see. Tropical counterpart. It digs stuff up from the snow or it drops its claws. Cool. Okay, I guess that's not going to show us an image of that. Lily paddler. Whoa, that's cool. So let's see. Animation is life form. Early access. It's going to be in May, I guess. Okay, I'm not sure why this is bad. The squid shark. I actually did a video showing this off just like a couple hours ago. Anything? Okay, nope. Guess not. The chelicrate. I'm not gonna say that right. I know for a fact. The chelicrate is cool. I am sorry so much for not gonna do that. Doing the image. That actually looks a lot like the symbiote. Rocket area base. Let's see. February 27th. So that's coming pretty soon. Wait a second. February. Okay, that's in a couple weeks. Nice. Hover Zone 2. First area. Okay, I'm not sure what that is, but is this the place where you go white snow fox and there are ice worms? No, but I'm not sure. Starting research base. I've already seen this. Deep twisty bridges. This has actually been invented in the game, but you can't actually go around and look at it. Altera tech sites. Okay, no images. What happens if you click here? No access. No access. Okay. See? Sea truck. Sea truck is already in the game. You know what? I guess I could take note of all these files. Nice. Twisty Bridges music. Well, that's interesting. Did I see? Okay, audio music. Dang it. There's no that. Okay. Sea truck update collision. Cool. Squid shark audio. Yeah, there is not an audio, I don't think. Okay. Let's see. See, I'm not gonna be able to show all of these off today, but I'm gonna do a couple of the cool ones. The Vesper, let's see. No, not sure. Hand animation is incorrect. What? I don't know what they're talking about. Tribal, oxygen plant. I wonder if there's any pictures of this. No. Sea truck docking at moon pole. That wouldn't really actually be too good, because if it goes on a moon pole and it's too big, it won't fit. You'll need like a bigger moon pole. Jukebox speakers. Cool. Pinnable recipes. Okay. Design progression. Let's see. Main cab should come from scannable fragments. There are actually some scannable fragments that are deeper in the the deep twisty bridges. Teleportation module is in the game. Sleeper. Okay. Placed in world animation. Okay. Art test. Thermal spires. Okay, so, audio. I wonder if there are any audio files in here. Probably not. Yeah. So let's see. Ice Worm is definitely going to be in the game, and you're apparently going to be able to see Margaret Maida. And once again, I'm not actually going to be doing much Subnautica Below Zero gameplay unless it's like an update, because there's a good amount of content, except most of the content is extremely broken and is not really going to be that interesting to watch. So, unless you want me to do some of that, in the comments, I'll put up a poll, but if you don't want me to do that, then I'm perfectly fine with that. I'm probably not going to do that. So 25 can make sure. I failed! I really failed. Okay, yeah. I'll cut this out, I hope. I hope I remember to cut this out.